Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable automatic learning or AI learning in Windows 10. If you want to turn this on or off, I'll show you how to do it. So, start by opening up the Start menu, type in Group Policy. Best result should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. You want to make this window a little bit wider first, and then you want to expand the user configuration section if it isn't already expanded, and double click on the administrative templates folder. Do the same thing now for the control panel folder, and then you want to locate something that says regional and language options and double click on it. And then finally there should be something that says handwriting personalization right under here. On the right panel there will be something that says turn off automatic learning. Go ahead and double click on that. So at this point you can just enable it, which will turn off automatic learning. If you want to re-enable automatic learning, you could just set it to not configured or disabled. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be turning off automatic learning, so we're going to set it to enabled. Select apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.